Industry 4.0 solutions have brought significant value to manufacturing operations, enabling organizations to connect their data, optimize processes, and achieve better business outcomes. The convergence of IT and OT, along with the shift to cloud-based manufacturing, underscores the importance of securing OT network to reduce vulnerabilities. ITC Infotech's digital manufacturing solution addresses these challenges, enhancing manufacturing performance. Our offering in Industry 4.0 and OT cybersecurity assessment and implementation provides a competitive advantage to manufacturing organizations. We combine industry domain knowledge from our parent company ITC Limited with technology expertise to facilitate a smooth transition to cloud-based manufacturing. Our Spectrum for Smart Manufacturing is a cloud-based solution accelerator, serving as a quick launchpad for scaling Industry 4.0 deployment. It offers pre-built use cases, assessment frameworks, digital twin capabilities, and deployment toolkits. For instance, we implemented this solution for a large CPG manufacturer in the US, resulting in a 15% improvement in OEE in their packaging line. This empowered line operators and plant managers with actionable insights for shop floor interventions.